So this is the three-phase CCMS panel which contain double door. So this is one door and this is second door, and in that this is in off mode, so you can try it for manual mode. So once it is on, it is in the manual mode. So inside these are the components present in that inside that. The panel is in automatic mode with the which will be in timer mode now. So the timer is set for 1 minute. So after 1 minute, the system will automatically on according to the timing. So now the CCMS is in automatic mode. It will both work on dashboard along with that timer. So now the CCMS is timer mode. So we are set for 1 minute. So after 1 minute, so it will automatically ons. So say according to the timer, after 1 minute it will automatically on. This is our dashboard for the CCMS panel. So you can operate from anywhere. So this is the login screen. So login. So once we log in, we will get this type of dashboard according to that. So
this is the map screen, and this is the alert screen where whatever the threshold breaches, we will get an alert message at what time and what date, and the device name, which device the threshold has breached will get, regarding on current voltage, everything will be information will be available on alert screen. So you can see the alert message of different device also. So this is device 27, and we are showing office testing 2. So these are different devices regarding on alerts breaches. When some current parameters or voltage breach happened, you can see everything here regarding on that. And this is the map section where you can see exact location of the device where you have installed or placed. So here you can see this is the live status of the screen. In this screen you can see all CCMS is there, active CCMS is there, and maintenance inactive. So So when I come to all CCMS screen, you can see there are 32 counts. In this, these are the device name, CCMS names. These are the device name and status, whether it is on or off. So this is the CCMS status where we can see on off status of the device. Now these are in off status. So as you can see, there are updated time, date, and also in this you can see asset details where you can the device map details will be there, where the device you have installed it could be available, and also meter details. This is the metering details where you can see the voltage, current, and as well as energy consumption of the device. It can be seen here. This is the status bar. I mean status bar means to trigger the relay for status on or off. So for example, I'll show one device which can be shown here how it works exactly. So I have selected row number 3 in here. So this is the device 27. So I'm selecting this one. So now you can see the map details has been changed. Previously it was showing some other map details. Now it is showing the exact location of the details. You can see now this one. So I can zoom it. Now you can see exact map details. And now I'm going to show you how the device triggers and works. So now I'm giving status as on. As you can see, our device is on and the CCMS panel is running exactly. And you can see here the bar where status bar, it is showing as on exactly. Other is off. The which we have triggered, it is on. And you can see the voltage readings here. This is single phase voltage, firstly RYB phase, and here comes 3 phase readings, RY, YB, BR phase. See, now the readings has been changed. Every 30 seconds the reading will be keeps on changing. So now you can see current R phase, the amps, I mean what power we are getting when we turn on the device. When the light is on, we are getting the amp from R phase. So Y phase, B phase is 0 because as we have given R phase, so it is showing only R phase. And the total energy consumption it is showing now, it is about 95.94 kilowatt per hour. And now I'm going to show you this active CCMS status where every day it will be keep on updating regarding how many devices are active or not. Right now we have one device active, so it is showing one device. Office testing 2, it is showing one device. And whenever you come to the screen, the map section will be present as well as metering details. You need to click to metering details if you want every details of the device, I mean voltage, current, and energy consumption. If you need the details, you need to click here. And if you want to turn it on, you need to turn this on as status. So this is the active CCMS details. And this is the maintenance screen where if the device is actively not active for more than 3 days, this details will be shown here as maintenance. So and this is the now coming to inactive screen. So now right now we don't have any inactive devices, so this will be empty. As you can see, if there is no any device present, it will be inactive and it won't show anything except maps. So this is the live status screen which you have seen. And we are going to settings screen. In settings we have thresholds where you can set threshold limits for every single phases and also the current. So these are the changing, you can change to any thresholds which prefer what your 3-phase voltage is supply is coming. You can set the thresholds and also the current phase. So this is upper limit, this is lower limit. Regarding on your CCMS panel, you need to set the thresholds so that you can get the threshold breach alerts and all. And here you can see we have save button to save the option, and this is threshold disable and enable function, where now it is in enable. Threshold is now in enable. If I click this one, it will disable. So now threshold is disabled, so you can see that now it is showing whether you have to activate or not. It is showing enable. So this feature is useful when you don't want threshold breach, so you can cancel it. When you want, you can enable like this. So again it is processing, so now the threshold is enabled. So this is the threshold screen page. Now I am going to reports. In reports you can see, as already I have told you in live status screen about alert reports. In that one you need still more preferred, means you have to select this one, which device you want to check you have to select, and start time you need to select, as well as end time need to give to submit. See, when you give like this without setting the time, you may get like this information caution symbol. So you need to select here, and you have to select the time. So I have selected the time. Okay, now give on submit. Now you can see we are able to see the device alerts at what time, what date the breach has happened. So in this you can make sure at exact which voltage the threshold has breached, and which parameter, current parameter the threshold has breached. You can see through this alert report. Then if you click on reset, this will be completely reset, and same again you need to select like this. Okay, now we'll go for usage report. This is one more report where almost similar to alerts, but this is different. I mean, if you select a device, and this is used because where you can see device name, number of hours, total energy consumed, and date and time, because some users may want to know whether our number of duration, how many duration the device has ran, and how many energy consumption has taken place. You can check from this log. So you need to select start date, okay, and end date. In end date you need to select 7, okay, you submit. So now we can see how many number of hours it has run. This is the number of hours the light was on, exactly 9 hours the light was on, and how many energy consumed you can see here, exactly 9 hours, how many energy consumption has taken place you can see here. So this is usage report. So you can, if you reset again, you need to select. And lastly I'll come to control details. In control we have graphs. In graphs it is we have made very easier for customer to see whether what device at what status it can be seen. You can see in reading status also, and in graph status also. In graph status you can see the current phase, at what time what current is showing you can see, and voltage. This is single phase voltage, RYB phase. What are the voltages you are getting, it will be shown in graph. In format of reading it will be shown through graph. So this is 3 phase, and also this is energy consumption. What are the energy consumption while you are reading in digital reading, now you can be shown through graph also. In graph you can see date, time, everything will be shown here. So this is the CCMS complete details. Thank you.